Welcome to our latest review video. Today, we're diving into the world of audio technology, exploring the top 5 best Bluetooth headphones of 2024. We'll be evaluating their sound quality, comfort, battery life, and connectivity. But that's not all. We have an exclusive segment where we reveal the headphone that offers the best value for money. So, whether you're an audiophile or a casual listener, stay tuned till the end. You wouldn't want to miss out on finding your perfect audio companion. Let's get started. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.